Chapter 13. The Law of Consequence. Nothing happens without response. Humans often believe that actions can be separated from consequences, that something can be done without impact, that decisions can be taken without reaction. But life has never worked that way. From the cellular level to planetary systems, every movement triggers a response. Every change produces adjustment. Every disturbance generates compensation. There is no isolated act in biology. Every action activates a reaction. When a species grows excessively, resources decline. When populations explode, disease emerges. When forests are cleared, climate shifts. When oceans warm, ecosystems reorganize. The system always responds, not emotionally, not morally, but structurally. Response is embedded within the architecture of life. Consequence is not punishment. Humans often interpret consequence as punishment, but biology does not punish. Biology regulates. If a species overconsumes, scarcity follows. If a system overheats, cooling mechanisms activate. If imbalance grows, corrective forces intensify. Consequence is correction, not revenge. Feedback loops govern stability. Life operates through feedback loops. Positive feedback accelerates change. Negative feedback stabilizes systems. Hormones regulate temperature. Predators regulate prey. Microbes regulate nutrient cycles. Atmospheric gases regulate climate. These loops are not optional mechanisms. They are survival architecture. Without feedback, collapse is immediate. There is no escape from consequence. No organism can escape consequence. Cells that mutate uncontrollably become tumors. Tumors trigger immune response. Immune systems adapt or fail. Failure leads to extinction. This is not cruelty. This is continuity. Life preserves balance through inevitable response. Human systems are not exempt. Human economies follow consequence. Human politics follow consequence. Human cultures follow consequence. Excess debt leads to correction. Extreme inequality generates instability. Environmental destruction invites ecological backlash. The same biological logic applies. Humans are not outside the law of consequence. Humans are inside it. Consequence is the guardian of reality. If actions had no consequences, systems would spiral infinitely. Without response, imbalance would become permanent. Consequence protects structure. Consequence protects proportion. Consequence protects continuity. It is not an enemy, it is a guardian. The coldest law. Nothing happens without response. Nothing expands without limit. Nothing destabilizes without counterforce. This is the oldest law of life. Every movement writes its own echo.